How can you use your iPad as a whiteboard? So let's get started. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. If you want something very quick and straightforward, you can just open up the built-in Notes app on the iPad, open up a new note and make it go full screen, then enable the pencil tool icon, which is for the markup. It's going to make the pencil and everything show up, and you are basically on a white screen, whiteboard sort of, and you can draw or do whatever you want with it. Okay, that is one option. If you use Apple Pencil, you can as well just be directly on the locked iPad and then touch the screen with the Apple Pencil, and you can just draw on a whiteboard as well, right? So that is as well using the built-in Notes app, but it's also very convenient. But if you need something a bit more dedicated to just the whiteboard functionality, you can get a specific whiteboard app from the App Store. Many of them are available, but something like Microsoft Whiteboard is a great choice because you can log in and also like save your, whiteboards on the cloud. So yeah, you can use many of those apps if you really wanted to. One more thing about the whiteboards and the iPad, I know a lot of people who use it within the Zoom meetings app. So, if you set up a Zoom call, you can see that you can tap on a share and try to share the screen, or you can come up with a dedicated whiteboard, which is going to be part of that Zoom call for other people to see. So if you want to connect with someone and teach something directly over the call, then it would make sense to use something like Zoom where you already have that built in as an integrated feature. But that would be all from me. I really hope I could help. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.